Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. The other day ago, I saw Natural Niecy share a video where she did the wet look on her natural hair. She mentioned that she saw it on Instagram, and I was just like, okay, so most of the time, y'all, I live under a rock. So I have not seen this, but then I thought, I have never seen this. Depending on how young you are, you may not recall this, but y'all, she rocked that wet look back in the days. Her hair was really short, but she basically slicked it back and wore it in a wet look. This Saving All My Love For You album was the jam back in the days, but I digress. Anyway, I love trying new things, hence the waveformer video that I shared not too long ago. You'll find that right here. I start by sealing my hair with Henna Soup's Sweet Mimosa Butter. This stuff smells like chocolate. I actually won this hair butter in Henna Soup's Instagram contest. Then I go in with the main choice, is Pink Lemonade hair mousse. Mousse gives the hair a nice bit of hold, and it smells really, really good, and also adds to the shine that you will see in my hair later on. Next, I'm doing a bit of detangling using my Felicia Leatherwood detangling brush. I really like this brush. I typically only use it in the shower, but the mousse actually adds some slip to my hair and it helps me to detangle. Now, as you can see, I started from the bottom and I'm working my way up. Sometimes I do start at the top because my roots tend to tangle more than the rest of my hair, but either way, I am very gentle. It may look like I'm not as gentle here, but that's just because the screen is sped up. If you're wondering why I sound the way I do, it's because allergies are really getting to me and my nose is totally stopped up. But yeah, maybe that's TMI. Notice that I am smoothing my hair in a downward motion a lot. It's that repetitive motion of smoothing the hair down that helps to lay the cuticles flat so that the hair can reflect a lot of shine. Last but not least, I'm using my favorite gel by Eco Styler, which is the Pink Curl and Wave Gel. This is a level 8 hold. I did not use a level 10 for this style, and maybe I should have, but I felt like my hair being fine the way it is, 8 is probably more than enough hold, in addition to the mousse. And here's the back. And now I am just adding a bit of moisture back to my hair. It's starting to dry out. Also, as you can see, my hair is not completely laid down, and the reason for that is because I did not want my hair to look like it was plastered to my head, as you know, a lot of folks go for when they're doing the wet look. I just wanted my hair to look like it was sort of wet and sort of just try this style, and I really do like it. As you can see, I add some more mousse to my hair, and this is all in an effort to add shine as well as hold, but not too much hold that I look like my hair is plastered to my scalp. Finishing it all up, I'm taking out a few little bit of pieces of hair on the side, create some tendrils. Now to set it and lay it down a little bit further, I am using this satin scarf to tie my hair down. To combat the shrinkage, I'm using these elastic ties to secure the satin scarf onto the length of my hair so that as it's drying, it won't shrink as much. Now it's time to lay those edges. Now that my edges are set, it's time for the big reveal. Here are my curls nice and laid. I have less shrinkage than I normally would have due to the gel weighing my hair down. That's all, folks. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it. Our fine hair sisters need to know we can get down too.